this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. This is a 12 Days of Christmas DIYs. Our hosts are Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY and Jackie from Crafting with Mimi's World. Please check out their channels and the amazing playlist. Okay, first we're going to start Then we're going to take this ribbon and we're going to cut 3 pieces. I'm going to cut 2 pieces this length. And 1 piece this length. Okay, I'm going to start out. I'm going to I had a clip. Okay, you can use a chip clip, you can use a clip for a clothespin, whatever you have. It just helps hold your pieces together. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add a dab of hot glue here at the top. Which, you know, if you've been around, I use it's a colder glue, and it's a jeweler's glue. I just seem to like it best. It's my preference. Because I'm bad about burning myself. Okay, now we're gonna do the wings. I'm gonna start just by making, you know, your traditional bow tie. And then I'm gonna do the same here. And add that on top. Then I'm going to take this one and do the same. And I'm going to add a dollop of glue, hot glue, just to try to hold them together a little bit in each section. Okay, I'm going to take a piece of wire and we're going to make sure this is secure. By giving it a good twist. And then we'll fluff it out. Make sure the dress is down. Make sure this is folded out like so. Then we're going to add the head. Now I'm going back here. I'm going to trim that wire up. Okay, if you'd like to, you could add some Spanish moss for hair up here. I don't like that stuff. It gets everywhere. But I am going to add her a little halo. You can use gold. You can use silver pipe cleaner. But I'm going to use gold. Glad that glue's not hot because I stuck my finger right in that glue if you didn't notice. There we go. Okay, you can add a ribbon or string, whatever. I'm gonna add a little bit of this green string. It fits better than the other. And I'm gonna just tie a knot in the end. They just came from it outside and now they're hyper. The Yorkies and the Dachshunds are hyper. I got 4 in my house. Okay, here is our angel. What do you think? And you can use any color ribbon you choose. Whether you choose burlap or something else. It might look pretty in even a buffalo plaid.